If you're headed to Chicago for HIMSS this year, stop by booth 152 to take a breather from the conference chaos. Arcadia will be hosting special programming throughout the day, from expert booth talks on timely topics to product demos and happy hours. But don't worry if you can't make it to HIMSS in person. For the first time ever, Arcadia will be live streaming the festivities, so you can tune in from the comfort of your own desk. Register now for our Byte-sized Booth Talk sessions. These short 10 to 15 minute talks are presented by Arcadia experts and other healthcare visionaries. They will run throughout the day on both Tuesday and Wednesday, so you can tune in at your convenience. Keep an eye on our LinkedIn page too, from product demos to insights with Arcadia experts. Whether in person or virtually, we can't wait to see you in Chicago at HIMSS this year.